All right, we continue to monitor a line of severe thunderstorms that have been moving out of the Gulf of Mexico. This will pass through all of South Florida, but it's moving through the Keys first. And we have a tornado warning in effect for the lower Keys, but just for a small section. And this is going to be anywhere right around Big Pine Key. This tornado warning goes out for another 15 minutes until around 10 a.m. The severe weather threat, even though it's still coming down heavy in Key West, has mostly passed you. So this does not include Key West. This is just for that small section along US 1, right through No Name Key, Big Pine Key, near the Saddle Bunch Keys. It's the leading edge of this line that not only has the potential to produce some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, but also has been showing signs of occasional rotation. Rotation that's enough for a tornado to develop at any time. I've been checking in with the National Weather Service. No reports yet of a tornado, but there's enough rotation on radar that one could develop at any moment near Big Pine Key. I know it's a small part of our population watching right now, but I know we have some viewers that are watching here that need to know what to do. This is headed towards the 7 Mile Bridge. If you're in the rest of the Keys, this line is still moving in your direction, getting close to Marathon at about 10:03, Duck Key at about 10:17, Layton at 10:23, and near Isla Mirada, that's going to be around 10:35. Key Largo, it's a little more than an hour away, so that's why it's not on the list here, but we'll continue to watch it as it moves into your area. Another part of this line is severe, that's farther to the north. This is out for Everglades City, so it's a little too far away from our area, but this same line is moving into Broward and Miami-Dade here pretty soon, and we're going to watch it move across Alligator Alley and make sure that no other parts of this line become severe. This is a camera. I took the banner off so we can try and see the sky. This is one of the closest tower cameras or traffic cameras that I could find out at Big Pine Key, where you can see some of the rain showers just now starting to come down as that leading edge moves on shore of Big Pine Key. So if you are in that area, the safest place to be in a tornado, interior part of your home, in a hallway away from windows, a stairwell, a closet without any windows, a bathroom is best if you have one that doesn't have windows especially. So an interior part of your room or closet, best place to be during a tornado if you're in the Big Pine Key area. A tornado watch is in effect for all of South Florida from the Keys all the way north to West Palm Beach and everywhere in between, and until about 2 o'clock this afternoon. After 2, I think this line is moving offshore and we're looking a lot better. So the difference between a tornado watch, which is out for everyone, that means ingredients are in place for tornadoes, a tornado warning like what we have in effect for Big Pine Key for the next 10 minutes means a tornado was sighted or indicated by radar. Weather Authority app should keep you covered with that for your specific area. So there's that highest threat for severe weather now until about 2 o'clock. Tornadoes, strong damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour will be the main threats with anything that develops. I don't think we're going to see a lot of hail with this line moving through, and I don't think we're going to see a lot of flooding, maybe in the usual spots that flood with only an inch of rain. But this is moving through fairly quickly, moving into Miami and Fort Lauderdale, especially about noon. I think this will be prime time for the metro area for any severe weather. If you need to get anything done today and you're just waiting, I would sit tight until after 3 o'clock. Here we are at 2. We could have a few lingering showers behind, but if you wait until after 3, I think majority of the showers are offshore. We're seeing the sun come out and we're looking a lot better. Those rain chances will go down with temperatures into the 70s. Going into the day tomorrow, we'll have some wraparound moisture around that storm system. Could see some small hail out of some of this on Monday with a little cold pocket coming in up by the clouds, but I don't think we're going to see much in the way of severe weather tomorrow. The forecast is improving. It's going to be kind of a chilly day with temperatures into the 60s, just barely reaching 70 degrees there, and the 7-day forecast shows much better by the middle of the week when you can see those lows that are back into the 50s and we're a little bit cool out and looking better. So one last look at this tornado warning, because right now I'm not too impressed with it. It looks like it's weakening a little bit. Radar is loading. It's going to pop in here in a minute. Here we go. Is for the lower Keys. They trimmed the warning back a little bit, so let me see if they're seeing any updates for the Big Pine Key area. And it looks like they still don't have any reports of a tornado, but that there's still some weak rotation in the vicinity of Big Pine Key. It's a rather small area on our map here. Not a lot of population, but there's a group of homes out there along US 1. I'm looking at velocity. These reds that you see here show me what the winds are doing in here, and they're strong. We're looking at some wind gusts nearing 60 miles per hour, but I'm not really seeing that rotation that we were seeing earlier when this tornado warning was first issued for the Big Pine Key area. Anywhere along this line has the potential to see a tornado develop at just about any point. But as of right now, that tornado warning for Big Pine Key should expire here within the next 10 minutes. Since this line is weakening, we'll continue to monitor the progress of the north side of this line, especially since it is severe and moving towards Miami-Dade and Broward County.